Got another Guess What's in the Box video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we got another Guess What's in the Box video, because I like doing these. I think they're kind of fun. And they're kind of entertaining. So I figured we'll measure it and make sure you guys can see real quick. Yeah, it's looking at the box, and we'll move the camera as soon as I'm done. These bags. Alright. So this box is 53 inches and 3/8 of an inch long. In depth, it is 4 inches and 1/2 an inch in depth. And width, it is 7 inches and 3/8 of an inch in width. So please let me know what you think is in this box. Hopefully you can't see the label, but if you can, you know. I'm not trying to hide it, but it is a tool. It is an attachment for a tool, and it is made by the red color, if that helps. Hopefully those are the few hints that I gave you. I appreciate you guys watching and playing along with me on these fun little what's in the box games. It's entertaining for me to record them. I thought it'd be entertaining for you guys. They're quick little 2 to 4 minute videos, not very long, kind of fun, creates more interaction on the channel. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos. We'll do an unboxing and everything of it separately. That will always happen. We'll always do an unboxing after these videos. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I appreciate you hanging out with me and having a little fun with me throughout everything that's going on with COVID-19 and everything. Today is the 9th of July. Again, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smash the subscribe button and smash the like button if you can for me. And go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronic affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!